Hi, my name's Al, and I'm one of the creators of SLabstat. SLabstat's a super duper easy to use card breaking software that just makes your life as a breaker or your life as a card break buyer just so much easier. We are in April 2022, and I want to talk to you about our latest release. Let me share a screen with you. Let's go ahead and do this. So we have a couple features, we have several features, April 2022. The big ones are card breaker maps and auction enhancements. So let's talk about a few new features. Card breaker maps. Basically, it is what it is. We use the Google API to plug into this and show everybody show where everyone's from the sellers to the different buyers. I'll show you an example for that in a second. We released auctions, which is the super duper easy way for you to create auctions for your PYTs or even one slots to use auction mechanics to sell your breaks. And it's actually been a very successful feature. So we've been listening to our customers and they said, hey, can you add this feature and that feature? So we're giving you a little bit more granularity to manage the auctions, such as deleting bids, hide bidders, and just the history, just to make everything fair. User avatars is one of the bigger, we're working on the user feel, look and feel of this. So we started using user avatars, and then we're also supporting new European soccer leagues since we're getting a lot of interest from Europe. So let's talk about breaker maps. Let's go into here. This is an existing live auction from one of our sellers. And you can see here that this is the, oops, that went down. Anyways, this is the listing page for his auction here. And we have a new tab here called map. And you can see here, we can see very quickly all the different buyers and the seller that's associated with this card break. Just something really, really cool to see who's a part of this. So you can see here that we have Yen, who's the seller. The other will have his avatar updated there. And you can see all the individual buyers. Here's John, here's Rory, here's Greg. You know, and it just gives you that we're big into design and we're big into analytics now. So just more information for you as the card break buyer and seller to just have a better look and feel for your card breaks. The next thing is auction management enhancements. So let's go ahead and look into one of my auctions here. So we have an auction here and I'm the seller. So let's go ahead and manage this. So sometimes the buyers or the people that are participating in the auction, they make a mistake. They fat finger it, they overbid or whatever the reason is. And you as the seller need to manage it, right? In this case, you can go in here. Let's say there's a $27 bid for Cleveland Browns. And you can see the history here. And this is only viewable by the seller. Okay, so you can see the history. In this case, let's say this person that did the $27 bid was a deadbeat buyer. They made a mistake. So we can click on delete, right? And then it should be $26. So that $27 bid is off the board. So that just makes it super easy for you to manage your customers. Okay. We can hide bidders. So sometimes you want to be able to hide bidders. Or hide the bidder column here, so that people don't know who's bidding. You want to have a completely blind view here. So in this case, display the highest bidder. The column can be hidden, so you just have to go into edit, and then nobody will be able to see who's the highest bidder there. Okay. What else is there? And then user avatars. So you've been able to see here. And we just changed the look and feel. So in this case, you can see here for this person, we have the initials, and then you can still go in and you can update your image here. Let's see here. Oops. You can go into my profile and then you can click on here and then you can update your own avatar to have your own image. But by default, we're just making the look and feel. And we're also very focused in on design moving forward. So you'll start seeing those new design features over the next few weeks. And then the last thing that we did was support new European leagues. So go ahead and click create a break, and let's go do a PYT or pick your team. This also applies to auction PYT. So you can see here that we have all the leagues listed: baseball, NBA, NFL, NHL, soccer is now the Bundesliga, La Liga, League One, Premier League, and Serie A. So that just makes it super easy. And these are just the current teams of either 20 or 18. And then we also give you the options to do 1 to 10 slot auctions. So if you have something else that you want to auction off, you can use these. You can use our tools to be able to just do a random 1 slot or a 10 slot auction, whether that's you're just trying to get rid of some inventory or it only requires a few slots. Anyways, that today is April 6, 2022. Those are the features that we released this morning. Thank you very much. My name is Al. Looking forward to hearing back from you all.